Hey guys, good evening. Here to tell you a little bit about these Sharpie oil-based paint markers. I don't know if you guys have seen, but I actually did another video recently and it was also Sharpie markers, but they were different colors. They were like the black, gray, white, like just your standard kind of off colors. So I actually really liked them a whole lot, and I decided to go out and purchase yet another pair of markers, but this time I did like the colored ones. So these are Sharpie paint markers. They are oil based. They come in a pack of 5. So on the bottom here it just says oil based paint marker, marks on wood and glass. I actually just used them to paint my pumpkins. We bought some pumpkins yesterday and I went ahead and use these for that because I couldn't find any pumpkin paint in the store, and it was like a little bit late to order on just because I wanted to do the pumpkin carving and painting tonight because the rest of the week I'm kind of working late. So that's my whole reason why I ended up using these paint markers for that. So contents are 5 assorted Sharpie medium point oil-based paint markers. Sharpie paint markers, they are opaque paint marker, marks on virtually any surface, metal, pottery, wood, rubber, glass, plastic, stone, etc. Oil-based ink is quick drying, fade negative, abrasion negative, and water resistant. Marks opaque and glossy on light and dark surfaces. So my job actually was using these originally to paint on glasses, but I think you had to, I forget what the temperature was, but you had to actually bake the glasses for like 10 minutes on the oven at like 350 degrees, something like that, to make it so that they would be dishwasher proof. So the paint markers are really great. Obviously they work like paint. I was kind of messing with the marker on the back of here, that's why you see some of the colors over here, but you could see like how pretty and bright the pink is, the green, and what else, the orange. They're really pretty colors. Uncap what's inside, sharpie.com, find out more information about them. Guarantee: if you are not completely satisfied with your product, please return for a refund, repair, or a replacement. Conforms to ASTM D4236. They are non-toxic. Copyright 2013, Newell Rubbermaid Office Products, Oak Brook, Illinois 60523. Made in Vietnam. Imported into Canada, I think that says. Office Products Canada. And there's the barcode on the back. Like I said, I really like these because they're permanent and the colors are really bright. They're very pretty. And Sharpie, of course, has been around forever. Like, I trust their regular markers, so that's another reason I was happy to try these out. I'm gonna go ahead and open one. And when you first open them, like when you first, they all have plastic wrap on them, and then this felt tip part will be white. You just kind of have to go like this a couple times, and you could shake it up a little bit in order to get the color out. They're really, really very simple to write with here. So I'm just writing for fun. Just so you guys could see how easy they are to write with and easy the felt tip is to kind of make some marks and stuff like that. So really good for coloring. Trying to think what else you could use them on. I know a lot of people do like that paint the glass nights. It's kind of like I forget what it's called. Like they have a paint night, and like basically they'll have like a big group of people sitting around and a table, and you guys will all kind of like learn to paint. And then they started doing, like, you know, they would do that with the canvas, but now they started to do it with glasses as well. Like, I've seen wine glasses and stuff, so I think these would be cool to paint on wine glasses with. Back at the time that I was getting married, I used these for wine glasses, and I wrote to all my friends, will you be my bridesmaid on them, and I thought that was kind of cool because I could like design my own glass. So I think they're really great for a whole bunch of different purposes. And like I said, I love Sharpie products, and I think that most people do as well. So these were the paint oil-based markers. Like I said, they come in different colors. Like this was the second pair that second box that I bought of them, because the other one had 5 colors, but like I said, that had like the neutral ones, like the black, white, silver. I think it had like brown. These are like the prettier, like brighter colors that you guys could use for different things. And then on the back it says the directions. Let's see, remove cap, marker and tip up position, depress point with finger, recap and shake well to mix paint, depress marker point several times on surface to saturate point. Okay guys, so I thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you guys try out these beautiful bright Sharpie markers. Thanks for watching.